My name is Advait. I'm a trainer at Let's Update Language Academy, and with me is.
My name is Jobsi from Let's Update Language Academy.
Okay, so today we're going to demonstrate how to do an OET speaking card. I will be pretending as a nurse, and Miss Jobsi here will be pretending as a patient. So before we begin, let's look at the setting. So this is a local clinic we have here, and I'm a nurse who have just finished the examination of the patient. And from my examination, I suspect that it might be a DVT or deep vein thrombosis. Okay, so let's begin, shall we?
Yes.
So before we start, how may I address you during the role play?
You can address me as Jane.
Jane, thank you. Thank you for allowing me to examine you, Miss Jane. Now, I will have more questions to ask regarding your leg problem. First of all, when did it start?
Actually, nurse, the problem started a couple of days ago.
Okay, and how would you rate the severity of the pain? Like 0 being least, 5 being moderate, and 10 being the most?
I think it's not too painful. It's about 5 out of 10.
Okay, thanks for that information, Miss Jane. And I would also like to find out more about these symptoms, such as, I would like to know whether you had any other symptoms since discharge. Did you experience any fever, nausea, or changes in energy levels?
Actually, nurse, I haven't had a fever or felt sick. I haven't feel like doing much, so I have been lying in bed most of the time.
Well, I'm mostly glad that you never had any fever or nausea. That's a good thing. And I would also like to know whether you are complying with the doctor's post-discharge advice. Like, were you taking the correct medication and have you increased your fluid intake, being active, and most importantly, were you wearing the compression stockings?
Definitely, nurse, I have been following all the discharge advice. I have been taking medication and I have been drinking lots of water, but I have only been wearing the compression stocking some of the time because it made me uncomfortable and I haven't been very active.
Well, I'm glad to hear that you are following the rest of the instructions apart from the compression stocking. But I would strongly advise you to wear the compression stocking because it's very important to make sure that you don't have any problem before we proceed with the other examination or surgery. Is that clear?
Yes.
And I would strongly advise you to make a consultation with the doctor in order to perform the diagnosis, and he will be making a treatment if required. I hope that is clear.
Yes, nurse.
Do you have any questions or concerns to ask me, Ms. Jane?
Yes, definitely, nurse. I would like to know what the diagnosis is.
Oh, I'm so sorry to say this, but it is not my role to communicate about what kind of diagnosis that are involved because it doesn't qualify with my range of expertise, and there might be a requirement for the doctor appointment. So I'm so sorry to say this. And I would explain the possibility of the, chances that occur if you are not complying with the usage of compression stockings. In a recent surgery that we just had, we have noticed a patient who had a red and painful cough. So this is the reason why I strongly advise you to stick with the compression stocking usage. I hope that was clear for you.
Yes, definitely.
And is there anything else I need to clarify before we conclude?
Yes, nurse, I hope I can be treated at the clinic because I really don't go back into the hospital.
Oh, I understand your concern, and I would like to assure you about the treatment procedures that are involved. You will still be treated as an outpatient clinic. Is that clear?
Yes.
And the hospital admissions are only taken if it is really necessary. And the next steps might include you remaining in the consultation room until the doctor has finished his examination. Am I making myself clear?
Yes, nurse.
And before we conclude, I would like to know whether you are willing to wait in the consultation room for the doctor to arrive and conduct the examination.
Definitely, nurse. I will wait in the consultation room to see a doctor.
Well, I'm very thankful for your kind cooperation. Now, if you have any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to let me know. I'll be there to help you.
Okay, thank you.
We hope our session was beneficial for you and we wish you a good luck. See you next time. Thank you.
Thank you.